Annyeonghaseyo wonders, welcome back to the channel. I know I look a little ridiculous with the hat and then my helmet on top of it, but it actually rained last night and it's still a bit chilly out this morning. Today we are leaving the city of Daegu. We don't have a city in mind necessarily, there's just a lot of small towns that we're gonna be passing today. So there's multiple places that we could stop. There it is, guys. There's the bridge. That's where we technically begin today. All this was the warm-up. Tired of these freaking speed bumps, man. All right, we made it to the bridge and we're headed across. Gonna leave Daegu. Goodbye. Wow. Yeah, some big observation deck. Pretty cool, but chilly up here on the bridge. So, all right, we are fully on the open road, the open bike road. Let's fly, baby. Dude, it already smells like really sour manure again. Not as bad as the other day when I said it was really sour, but somewhere in the middle. There's a pretty good view of Daegu 83 Tower from here. I was just there yesterday. If you didn't see that video, check it out. It's another golf course, baby. Never have too much golf. I found out that these plants here that I've seen a lot since starting are called silvergrass or Chinese silvergrass. Even though we're not in China, they're everywhere. Open fields again, guys. Large open fields. Got another bridge, and at the mouth of that bridge is the certification center. Seems like all of them are at bridges nowadays. It didn't used to be. There it is, only 4 remain. Not bad. The next one doesn't look too far. Ooh, they become 55 kilometers between the two after that? That's quite an increase, so we're almost done. Used to eat these all the time at the beginning of the trip, but I haven't had one in a while. This is a great little stopping point. Lots of people are stopping here and grabbing something at the convenience store, eating. This bridge back here, we're not gonna cross it. The cycling road continues right there. More of the pink ones. It's pink mola. I can't remember now. It's something like that. Seem to have definitely entered some kind of city or something. It got a lot busier. I don't know where the river is. We have left it. Oh, it's windy today. Gotta watch out. When you park directly on the bike path and then start crossing without checking for bikes, you might get hit. There's actually a motel here and further back that way. More motels and whole, like, I don't know if it's fully a city, like a small city or like a big town. Still don't know where I am, but there's like a whole city over there. There's lots of stuff and I see lots of motels. So on this section, we're supposed to go up there. That's what all the signs say. That's what the map tells me to do, but we can't. It's clearly being redone or something. So we're gonna have to follow the car road, going straight for a while. Not too far. I found a little detour. I made my own detour on the map, so we should be able to figure it out. Okay, finally made it back to the proper Four Rivers bike path. The detour wasn't that long, but it wasn't fun either. A lot of big trucks and campers. The rain left, the clouds left, it's sunny, but boy is it windy, man. Most of it hasn't been directly in front of me. Like I haven't been going directly into the wind. I did a little, but not too much, so that's okay, but it's chilly. Oh my God. I spoke too soon. The wind is really brutal. Just standing here, right when I started recording, it almost knocked my bike over. I'm hoping I'm gonna get somewhere where like it blocks it or like it just slows down. Headed uphill. It's actually kind of nice break from the wind. I had two options, go over here or go through a tunnel. I chose this one because both were uphill. The other tunnels I went in were cold. I don't know. On Cacao as well, I said this was the easier route and they'll both go up. Let's see how far up we gotta go on this. Dude, this is steep. This is by far one of the steepest hills I've been on. Oh my God. Just go through the tunnel, guys. Just go through the tunnel. I'm begging you. Still going up. At least not as steep now, though. The tunnel's, you know, somewhere underneath me. Hey, man, you live and you learn. I don't have any regrets on taking this hill, at least not yet. It's a good workout, burning calories. Well, I would amazingly say it was all worth it because there's a viewpoint up here at the top. We came really far. I can't believe I'm this high up and it goes down right here, so we're done going up. This is the peak. All right, down we go. It is pretty gorgeous. Cycling road. Should be right there. Look at the beautiful mountains. Very gorgeous, very peaceful, and it does not smell like manure. Silver grass and the flowers on the other side. Gorgeous. All right, I've seen a lot of the silver grass, but this is cool. That's a lot, dude. Ghost of Tsushima, anybody? This one is freaking steep. God dang. This is the steepest one. Okay, I just reached the top of that one and oh, look, what's this? Is this another drop back down? Could it be? Wow, right away. I bet at the bottom of this one, we're gonna go back up again. Who knows how many times we're gonna do this? It's seriously been like 6 or 7. Back down. It's a temple, all right, and it is one of the bigger ones. Whoa, these statues are sick. It's pretty cool, actually. I'm supposed to go up through it. Why would the path go through this? It's so steep. Gonna be a gravel path now. This seems right. This seems like the right way. Totally. Pushing the bike up a gravel path in the mountains. This has gotta be it. Come on. This sucks. Looking on Cacao, it shows that there is a way completely around it, but it did not recommend it to me first. It said, this is the bike path, this is the way to go. And yeah, Four Rivers signs, they did point this way, but they pointed the other way too. And I'm wondering if because I can't read it. I can't read like, this way sucks, this way is the easy way. The two routes I see is either continue with the way Cacao's telling me to go, which is clearly bringing me into more mountains. You can see the mountains on the map. Or I see another little path that looks like it should take me out of this. And that's what I wanna take. I need to just go a tiny bit further and see what it looks like. And if that path looks bad, I'm straight up turning around. I'm not going through more of those mountains. This is all downhill. So we'll just go downhill and we'll backtrack and go back to the easier way. Okay, I was right about a couple of things. There's a sign here, says for river. I need to translate it and see exactly what it says. It says for something going this way, which is back up the mountain, like I said. And then there's this way over here, which takes you down. And I'm taking that one. On the map, it connects back to the main road. We'll go on the main road. I don't care. I'm just tired. I really enjoy riding. Pushing the bike sucks, and I don't want to do any more of it today. This is a nice, beautiful path. Easy now, easy. Boy, this reminds me of Philippines. I was on a lot of roads on a motorbike like this. A lot. This is almost second nature to me at this point. Holding on to the brakes, trying not to fly down the hill. Dude, my ears literally popped. That's how far down I'm going. That's how far up I went. Jeez. And this is the main road. No, this isn't really a cycling path. We just have to cycle on the main road. That's all right. It's just so much better already. I bet it's not gonna take me that long even to reach the certification center. Okay, we did it. The red booth is just ahead. We're not there yet, but close. The trail that we took on the main road when we went back down, there were also 4 river signs there. You can see one there. I'd recommend taking that one unless you're crazy. Those are all, we would have been walking through all that. That one, over here, all of that. I see a bridge. You know what that means. The next certification point. We are flying now. Stupid mountain. God. Sorry, I'm sure it's a very smart mountain. I'm sure it's studied very hard. Here we go. Only 3 left. The next one says 55, and then 55, and then 35. So that's only 145 left. We'll see if it's even right. I mean, I don't know. I saw it lying yesterday. It said 36, and it was 100% 26. Whew. I'm tired. More than anything, it's the wind. The wind is killing me. This is terrible. I hope the wind is gone tomorrow. It's better than rain, but it's not great. Hey, so something's wrong with my GoPro. One of the batteries died earlier, so I replaced it, and the other one was at about 60% battery left, and now it just won't work at all. I only had 2 batteries left because the third one expanded so much it wouldn't even go in the freaking GoPro anymore. So I don't know. I have no GoPro for the rest of this route today, so I guess I'll catch up with you when we get to where this motel's supposed to be. Passing through this beautiful area with the wall, the rock wall there, and then this gorgeous path. Really wish I could get the GoPro to work, but I tried everything. It's just not working. Saw a few motels further up, but this one's closer to the convenience stores. It's a very, very, very small town. We're gonna check here first, and if not, we'll go back up. I'd prefer this one. All right, this motel worked out. I'm in. It's not the worst one I've stayed in, for sure. They actually had a bike locker for me, and I've got the key for it. Here's their bike lockers. Goes down there as well. Looks like only one other is taken. Somebody else, another cyclist must be here. Inside, there it is. And it's good. I have the key, so I can come leave whenever I'm ready. Let's get the stuff and bring it up. I'm already so tired, guys. Oh, I look horrible, dude. I went almost 80 kilometers today. Oh my God. This was one of my longest days for sure. That was a lot. There's an E-Mart down the street. We're gonna go there and get some dinner. Normally I shower before I go eat, but I've only had an apple and that mango cup today. I'm really hungry. Guys, this area around here is really like nothing. That's the motel over there. And there's just all this. There's E-Mart, and then the road goes on. Not a lot, but we had to stop somewhere.